Tata, you can do this.
Saan yung pinyag?
Boarding na tayo guys. Let's go. Boarding. Hey, good morning. Welcome to another new episode of us. This is our life and today we're very excited because di naman kami sobrang busy ni M ngayon pero it's just the two of us at wala pa si Tyler, nasa Wowo at Wawa niya pa. Pero kami, pupunta kami ngayon ng store kasi merong training ng shoe cleaning and regluing para sa concept na gagawin natin additional sa 190 Flip Phenomenal Soul. And after that, marami tayong gagawin. Meron tayong another meeting with the new friends. Tignan natin kung ano yung makakome up namin business. So, meron silang i-open up na business sa amin. So, tignan natin. Samahan nyo kami today ni M for a very, very busy day. Let's go. Shoe wipes. Ngayon natin yung shoes ni M. Flip shoe wipes.
Thank you.
Ayan ang dumi. Oh, ito na yan. Ayusin natin. Pampahid lang. Pangkal.
Labo ka!
Yan na. Clean na. Next. Yan. Ito yan. Okay. Okay na. Clean. Go!
Morning. I'm so happy today.
Okay.
I get to spend the day with you.
Yeah, sama siya sa akin sa work ko. Una, ayaw mo pa sa...
Oh no!
Okay.
Mabit.
Okay na?
Yes. I'm so happy. Kahapon kasi I was so busy. I was at work. Tapos, sobrang late na ako nakauwi. And, hindi ako mag-work today.
Dahil
Gusto ko kasama ka. Tapos, meron kaming lunch with our friends.
yes.
Surprise kung sino. Char.
Surprise. Surprise.
Surprise! And,
Okay, lipat.
mag-regluing kami today. What I mean is, meron kaming training sa Flip ngayon. Kasi mag-open na ang Wash Me Flip
Wash me flip.
sa shoe cleaning business. Magpalinis kayo
Additional,
sa additional business. Additional services.
Ano yun?
So, cleaning, regluing. Parang kami manas ko, love. Ang manas ko.
Parang hindi naman. Akala mo lang yun.
We're here! We're here. Hindi na pa sila nag-start ng training. 9 a.m. and it's now, hello! Good morning!
Good morning.
Tapos na kayo, regluing? Di pa? Okay.
Patay oh. Kapag hindi nalaki ang sobrang dumi. Antinis ko to eh.
Sa yun, balik yun, kailangan ng staff dito sa loob para ma-tape siya.
We're going to Soler.
Yes.
Gonna meet some friends. Kain kami ng masarap kasi we're starving.
Sir, Investo? Investo.
Tell me, you come here, you go.
Kebat? Ito mo jacket?
Baby is okay.
Ba't mo naman iniipit pa? Parang busog ka pa lang eh, no?
Hindi naka-record.
Ang ganda ng pag-aawa.
Okay lang. Buntis ka naman.
Isa pa ulit, complimentary sushi!
Thank you very much.
From?
Siyempre, from the owner, sikat ako eh, di ba? Sabi si Sir Daniel, of course. Hindi, may story ka eh. Hindi, kanina kapag upo.
Fan ako, gumaganon. Fan ako.
Nakita ko nag-usap na sa isip.
Pagpasok.
Siyempre, kailangan ko kayo.
Wait, nakapo tayo sa labas.
Si Simsubos na yan. na ako. Sa regular table
Regular
lang.
table.
Regular, syempre, hindi naman ako mag-VIP event ganito. Mahal. Pinalipat. Sir, na-upgrade po kayo dun sa VIP. Sir. Of course.
Yeah, but yeah.
Kunin
Hindi,
ko yung
dapat
dalawang...
di mo pinakita
Sure,
na
sure.
parang nagulat ka. Yeah.
Oo, kinuha ko yung dalawang phone ko.
Dalawang phone ko eh.
Dalawa phone.
Lagay-
Bakit scammer ka? Ba't dalawa yun?
Yung isa, pagtakbo. Silipat ako dito. Narinig ko si Baba. Ay, narinig po kasi namin sila. Nakas po darating kaya na-update po. Sabi this is our Ebu Tempura.
Ikaw pala, chef!
Ebu Tempura from the Paradise. Came from all the way from Baguio City. Binaba pa po namin.
Bakit may ipon sa
Dumaan pa po ng
Baguio?
iligan to. At syempre,
May ipon
nakikita
sa
niyo po
Baguio.
yung mga nakarap po dyan. Si Travis Scott po yung nag-rap.
Bakit yung Travis?
Rap.
Rapper!
Bogol. And of course, our signature tempura sauce came all the way from Tempur.
Ulan yun?
Tama ba? Certainly.
Certainly.
Ano yan?
Crispy fried chicken.
Yes, this is
Food tasting
crispy fried
pala to.
chicken or the chicken karaage. It is marinated with the ginger sauce overnight.
Overnight. How many hours?
It's 24 hours and then bali 24 hours talaga. So
So you cannot go
So, hindi
over
overnight.
24.
It's one day.
yeah,
so
so
Monday.
parang magiging ano siya, magiging
Ah.
malasa na masyado yung ginger sir para
So,
So nakabang silang ganun. Pag 24 hours. Mukha na agad.
we have to go back here po.
nakagano sila 24. Okay na. Hey,
Okay,
ang dami natin kinain bill natin, 95K. 94 lang, 94. 94,
Babasahin ko lang po, sir.
balasahin mo ka ng bala. Huwag
Lakat
matitignan
mo,
na.
tignan.
Parang ito na po ata.
Okay.
Sure ba?
Sa'yo yan! Thank you! Thank you!
Concept ka lang mo!
Sabi kita yun sana eh!
Tayo tuloy napunta!
Labas ka pa ng labas eh.
Nanalo na po kayo sir, congratulations.
Dalawa na. 50-50 na yung chances natin mabunod. Claim nyo na rin.
Okay, thank you!
Nakatayos yung sa'yo.
Thank you, Julian!
50% chance muna ako mabunod.
Napakaswerte!
Oy bro, salamat ha.
Thank you! Thank you!
Baka talaga.
After namin mapakita kila Ella at Julian, di na namin video kasi sobrang nag-enjoy kami together and we just bonded. At ngayon, si Baba mag-gym again after 4 days, 3 days.
After 3 days.
After 3 days. Ako naman, meron tayong first practice ng OG Dayo. And this is gonna be hard because in a way, syempre yung mga boys natin, sobrang may kanya-kanya ng ginagawa yun. So to put them together, it's a big challenge for us. So it's part of the schedule na ginagawa natin when it comes to OG Dayo. So kailangan mo sila pagsama-samahin kahit marami na silang ginagawa individually. Yun, kailangan natin intindihin yun. And at the same time, we have to be flexible also pagdating sa mga practices. So etong practice namin parang 1 month advance to bago nangyari to. So let's go to Tomas Morato. Pupunta kami sa URC Gym dyan sa Timog. Let's go! Ito mga players natin, syempre, may kanya-kanyang schedule yan. Pero ako na-appreciate ko that they're here. Kahit late kami, first practice, that's 1 PM kami, pero tayo ng mga nagbibenta. Ngayong araw na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa practice ng OG Dayo game. And of course, ito yung mga boys natin. So meron pumunta dito, kahit sa talaga magpunta, gusto kong bentahan ng sapatos. Boss, ano pangalan mo?
So, kakatapos lang na ensayo nila Baba and we're on our way to Mion's kasi mayroon kaming meeting. Meron si Babang meeting with business partners. Yes. Yes. Baba,
Pang kids ba Vietnam din?
Hindi.
what are you having here at Mion's?
Surf and turf.
Yung parang nilang yun.
Sarap! Ang sarap.
Mura, mahal.
Dip platter.
Bilyonaryo ka dun, di ba?
Nice up. Nice mayor.
Ako din. Di pa ako nakapunta dun.
Look at this.
May parang okay.
Sarap yan.
Sorry,
Hindi
kinukuha
kay
na.
ano yun eh.
Yummy.
Hindi mo nakita?
Yung Indian?
Tingnan ba?
Andun.
That 88. So, Ah, sa sauce?
It is Thursday and we're here at Veterans. Hi, Baba! There's Powisu.
For our tournament Sunday.
Sunday, abot ka ba?
22 yun eh.
Uy, mga
Silipat ako
kahabol
pa Dubai. Pagbalik ko, semifinals.
Mananalo yan?
I'll be flying out of the country just to play tennis.
So, ayun. On the 22nd, competition ni Baba. And then, 24th, he'll be flying to Dubai, business trip, na hindi ako kasama. Anyways, meron kaming baon today. I'll show you what I prepared. May baonan namin ng cute, bluey. I have here wakame salad, shirataki rice for Baba, kasi hindi siya nag-rice. And some adobo flakes, a lot of eggs, protein, gotta get that protein, at saka giniling, beef giniling, and black rice. Hindi ko malabas, mainit pa eh. Hindi ako nag-dinner. Well, I only had papaya last night, kaya gutom na ako. It's almost 1 p.m. Hindi pa tapos ang movement namin today. Tapos mag-tennis.
Coach of the year.
Coach Flex naman.
Coach Flex, number 1.
With Jeff Ivan.
Coach of the year. Hindi lang pang lokal, pang international na.
Palakas talaga siya eh, oh. Siyempre ako din for the workout. Like day to day.
Flight of the year. Ivan, flight of the year.
Bakit?
Flight of the year.
Nakailan na?
Ang dami ng referral niyan. Basta ako ang nag-refer kay Ivan. Ayan! Networking, na-invite ko si
Ikaw-
Ivan.
ikaw yung
Ang dami
ulo.
pinasok. Kaso, butas yung kabila ko. Kailangan meron dito. Yung right ko, wala. Guys,
Networking pala to
kung
eh.
naghahanap kayo ng pagkakakitaan.
May komisyon ka ba dyan, kay Coach?
Done going to the gym and now we're gonna go home. I'm gonna have my...
Hindi ka magsalita.
We're gonna have my therapy and then Baba's just gonna go somewhere later. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do live and then probably something that we never find. Why do you laugh like that? Why? See you on the nip line.
Before the day ends, meron akong dalawang angels na binisita ako from heaven. My best friend. Nanood kami ng After 28 Hours.
28 years after.
28 years after. Anong movie yun?
Actually, yung sinasabi niya kanina.
Scary ba yun?
Hindi, dahil yung
Zombie,
Ay, hindi ka pwede
oo.
scary mag-isa
Alam mo
sa
yung
bahay.
pag may mga chemicals na tapos tayo kasi na-apektuhan, parang gano'n. So yung multo dahil sa chemicals.
Sige. Malto dahil sa chemicals.
Bio.
Do it.
Bio, ano yun?
We just finished the movie.
It's so stupid.
Baba! Kabadong-kabado ko nga nung kasi.
Ito yun.
Hindi naman pala horror. Suspense at saka comedy. Ganda. I love it.
Try muna tayo sa lakad natin. Si Tyler, kasama syempre yung mga angels niya. Magpupunta sila sa... Saan ba tayo?
Smart escape room.
Escape room. Kasi hindi siya pwede sa concert. Kami naman ni M.
Sana concert.
Pupunta...
a show.
It's a show. Kanino? Sino pupunta natin?
Joe Coy.
Jokoy. So pupunta muna kami ng MOA Arena ngayon before tayo magtrabaho mamaya sa Marikina. Kasi tomorrow maaga guys, meron tayong tennis tournament. First natin yon, tournament sa tennis at lalaban tayo sa Paranaque. Nainiya mga ganun. Tayo let's go. Ganda ni Baba oh. Let's go.
And that's okay.
Okay, just got home. Tapos na kami. We have to rest early. Mag-kami nga sa bukas, guys. Good night. Hey, good morning, everybody. So, 7 a.m. and we're ready. Nandito na siyempre si Shen. Media natin. Siya mag-shoot sa atin. Of course, we got Alan. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Green Heights Tennis Club. First time natin sasali ng tournament. excited. Excited tayo. Kasama natin si Baba.
Good morning!
Preparing for breakfast. Let's go! So, this is my first tournament ever. Been training for 3 months already. Consistent naman tayo. So, may cardio na rin ako ngayon. Let's go.
We're here at the venue. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Kailangan manalo ni Dada kasi...
I have milk tea and Jollibee.
Okay, so you have to cheer really hard. Paano?
Tata!
Getting ready. Exciting!
Kasama ka ba?
Yeah.
First time ko rin kabahan sa sport na bago.
Basic.
Basic. Okay, game. First game natin.
Tata, you can do this. You don't get my Jollibee.
Let's go, Dada. Dada's doing so well with his first tournament. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Sugatan pa nga to si Tyler. I'm asking you kanina if it bled eh. You said no. Buti Tita Allen told me. Sugatan oh. You gotta get yung anti-tetanus shot. Anti-tetanus kasi you can get tetanus from Kalawang. Your blood will get infected by the rust. You're gonna get sick if you don't get the shot.
Where?
Gonna call your doctor.
Where?
You have to ask your doctor first.
Here?
Maybe there, maybe here, or here, I'm not sure.
I don't want to do that.
Alright, second game ni Baba. First game was full of learnings. He did not win the game, but let's see, makakabawi tayo this time. Cheer mo si Dada!
Go, Dada. Go, Dada. Go, Nana.
Dada.
Go, Dada. Go, Dada. Go, Dada! Yes!
Isang goal, tabla. Tapos tie break. First ball. Okay. Huwag ka na magsugal ng first ball.
Okay.
Yung first ball mo, trato mo na second ball.
Okay.
First ball. Kung kaya mo ibigay sa baka mo, malakas yung forehand yan. Kung kaya mo ibigay sa baka mo,
Bigay sa back mo.
kung kaya mo. Pag wala kang angle, huwag mo i-risk. Pero ibig sabihin, as much as possible, kasi malakas yung forehand yan. Ito sa business. Basta kaya na. Huwag mo ipilit pag hindi kaya.
After this game, almost done.
Go, Dada!
It's okay. Good game, good game.
Thank you. Nice game. Quality game.
Quality.
Nice game, Sean.
That was such a good game.
Quality.
Nakakatakot mo after 2-0 down.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good experience. Thank you.
First tournament win it down.
First game niya.
I'll reward you.
Tapos na yung screen time niya.
Ay, di, ano pa rin? Jollibee sa kanila.
Okay, let's go. Nice game. It's a gloomy Monday. And it's a slow day for me, at least, and for Tyler. Hintay lang namin si Dada. And we're gonna spend time later before he leaves for Dubai. We are sad and excited for him at the same time kasi magandang business opportunity yung pupuntahan niya doon. And I wanna show you guys my merienda. Nag-init ako ng leftover chicken biryani and fried some eggs. Hindi ko na maintay yung pandesal ni Tyler.
We're gonna make the bread.
Magmamasa na si Tyler. Bilisan mo na, nagugutom na gusto ko ng pandesal.
Your order coming right up.
Thank you.
We're done eating. Now we're gonna cut and wait. We are having dinner and Ate Jar pala and Ate Dawan will kaasama us in the gym. Look! Are you happy?
Yeah. I don't think she is. Ikaw talaga. Ano
They
yung ulam
said
mo?
kasi
Ano ulam mo?
shrimp.
Garlic butter.
Garlic.
Gaano kasarap.
10 out of 10.
And we are baking our pandesal. Taste test na natin yung pandesal. Nilagyan namin siyang cheese sa loob.
Mommy, wait. I'm gonna sabay kagat with you.
Okay, okay. Ooh, look at that. So soft.
Mommy, I finished my water. Look. Mommy, I finished my
Good job. Harap pandesal.
Let's try.
Penoy yan, Tyler.
Ha?
Penoy.
Mommy with Penoy?
Nasang breakfast?
My heart.
Nailed it! Yummy!
My heart.
Oh, eh.
10 minutes better than Tito Nichols.
Ang sarap.
I'm suffering so yummy.
Nasarap to sa ano? Peanut butter. Finally, our dada is home. He's quite very tired. Quite very tired.
The hard part, I don't want to leave.
No way you got it in the ceiling.
Ang baby.
After 5 days.
1, 2, 3.
Dada just finished packing.
Not yet done.
At yet done pala. You say bye to dada na? Say bye-bye to dada. Say bye-bye to dada.
Morning, and I think malakas talaga si Baba kay Lord kasi na-cancel yung flight ko dahil nga binomba ng Iran ang Doha, ang US base sa Doha, Qatar. Pero kailangan kasi namin umalis because this is a business trip. So nirebook ako ni Baba ng Emirates. First time ko sasakay ng business class ng Emirates. So very excited for that one. Pero at the same time, mixed emotions kasi itong baby ko. Ito naman, umiyak pa kagabi. Yaka nga. So, ayan. So, mag-spend time muna kami. Meron lang siyang brunch with friends niya. And then, ako naman, mag-gym muna. Kasi, sa Clark yung hatid mo ba ako doon?
Hatid kita.
Ha?
Kain ako sisig dun.
Uy, masarap yan. Okay. Kaso hindi ko matatagtag ka?
Hindi.
Wala yung biyahe.
May event. Party si Happy. Ay, si
Meron palang pupuntang event si Mami.
Yung binyag ni Dodong at
Ninang ka kasi.
birthday ni Bebang.
Birthday ni Bebang. Birthday ni Bebang. Ninang ka, di ba?
Ninang ni Dodong. Ikaw din ninong ka.
Ninong din ako. So, anyway. Pera na lang bigay natin.
Oo, pakimkim na.
Pakimkim na lang. Alright, so, yeah. Ligo ka na.
Saan yung binyag nyo?
Pilay.
Saan ang pilay? Namimiss ko na yun.
Gusto ako. Okay. Punta na tayo ng Clark Airport. Flight na natin. Papuntang Dubai. Roller coaster kasi akala namin hindi matutuloy talaga. Pero nag-book kami ng another airline which is Emirates. So, just got it.
Go!
Oh. Napakaganda pala ng airport dito talaga sa Clark meron ko ganito. Parang nasa ibang bansa ka na rin. So business class tayo. Siyempre.
kami. So kakain muna kami sa Wendy's and then pasok na kami. And at nga pala, bukod sa pupunta natin ng business, meron din tayo di-deliver na dalawang watch. Ito. Datejust Blue Dial 41mm. And of course, itong Starbucks na brand new. Pero kailangan suotin kasi syempre baka masira.
Pero ano, no? Ano sa mga anak, no?
Travel eh. Thank you, Papa. Oh, pa-Coke Zero.
Iusik tayo pa rin sa...
Tayo sa lounge ngayon. Ayan. Kagandahan dito talaga sa Clark International Airport. Halos walang tao. So, ayan. Tignan mo lounge namin. Wala. Vacant seats lahat. Saka very ang bilis. Ang bilis namin naka-check-in. Ang bilis ng interview sa embassy. Ayan, wala. Boarding na tayo, guys. Let's go. Boarding. Okay, guys. Nandito na tayo. Front seat talaga tayo. Ayan. So, this is our view. That's our view right there. So, nagre-request pa ako if they can transfer me on that window side. But, yeah. So, very, lang siya. Chill lang yung... Very chill lang. Not bad. Emirates. Yeah. Tara. Lipad na tayo. So, meron na tayo dito. Si Baba nasa party. Ninang siya at ninong din ako actually. First meal na ito, guys. Kain na tayo kain. Okay, so mga 15 minutes na lang nasa Dubai na tayo. We're descending already. We're about to descend and fell asleep. Sleeping, guys.
Or switched off. Please read the safety guard from your seat pocket. Make sure you're aware of your nearest exit.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me.
Okay, dito na ako sa hotel ko. Not so fancy. Yeah, it's comfortable. And yan, ito, meron tayong magandang kama. So, yup. And then, ito yung magiging working station natin. At nabenta ko na rin, guys, yung Rolex. Siyempre, hindi ko na binidyoan yun kasi bawal. Okay? So, ayan na. This is our room. Tapos may CR tayo. This is the bathroom. No need for bathtub kasi hindi naman tayo nagbabathtub. Alright, so, I'm gonna sleep first, guys. Tutulog na ako. Good night.
With my Maris. Maris.
Mare.
Maris. Paris.
Paris.
High five. High five.
Apim.
Clap your hands na lang daw.
Our update tayo. Pangatlong araw ko na dito sa Dubai at hindi ako nag-video ng mga nakarang araw because I just wanted to enjoy Dubai and have time for myself. So ayan, meron tayong mga pinamili dito. So ito na yung na-shopping natin. Actually mostly yan pang kay Tyler yan sa KM. And then yeah, so mostly gano'n lang naman yung mga pinamili ko. And ang pinili ko talaga, bumili ako ng slippers dito kasi inadala ko yung masakit sa paa, Hermes. Ayun lang, so I just wanted to show you that and I'm not gonna vlog so much about Dubai. Syempre gusto kong maging surprise yung gagawin natin and yeah, I'm just very excited for whatever is the next chapter in our life as a businessman. So, yun lang. Day 3 in Dubai and sabi ko nga kahapon hindi ko na-film yung mga ginawa ko dito sa Dubai because of business purposes. Pero ngayon naman, meron tayong time. We have few hours to roam around Dubai and I want you guys to come with me. Let's go to places we can enjoy here in Dubai. Tara. So, we're going to call mo na, my wife. Hi, baby. Dab.
Hi. Hi. I'm here at the hotel lobby. I'm gonna go to Burj Khalifa and the museum. I'm just gonna take pictures para may pang-post ako. What's that?
Video
Apo, gagawa ko. Sa Dubai Mall na tayo, so lalakarin natin to hanggang papunta natin ng Burj Khalifa. So excited! First time kong lumapit doon. Kasi nung unang punta ko, wala akong time eh. Tara. Alright, so we are here with my friend. What's your name, brother?
My name is Mac.
Mac, thank you so much for your assistance. Nice meeting you. Take care. Ayun, bait niyo. Sinama niya pa ako sa contents. Sabi niya, sama daw siya sa content natin. So anyway, let's go. Let's go to P3. Okay. Ito yung mall. So, hindi ko pa alam kung saan dito yung ano. P3. Grabe. It's amazing. It's like, parang nasa ibang mundo. Totally different world. Well, actually, it is. So, ayan. Ang gano'n kaganda. Parang nasa likod pa lang ako nito, guys. Tapos lahat ng mga ano nandoon sa side na yun. Yung mga luxury brands. Dior, everything. Medyo malayo-layo yung pagbili ng ticket, ha. Hi, sir. Do you know where I can buy tickets for Burj Khalifa?
The blue pillar there.
The blue one. Thank you. Ang layo. Sobrang layo ng mga nilalakad ko. So, yun. Doon tayo bibili. Bili tayo ng tickets. First time ko papasok doon if ever. Yung, sabi ko nga, yung unang punta ko, di ako nakapasok. Kasi sobrang busy namin. Sa business, gano'n. Tara. Hi. How much is the ticket? For
Which level would you like to go? We have
For Burj Khalifa?
the top, the middle one, or the lower.
Ticket natin. So, hindi tayo masyado sa taas. Kasi nakakatakot yun. We're just gonna go to the almost second to the top. So, it's 9,700 pesos just to go inside, guys. It's crazy expensive. But, it's worth it. Kasi, just imagine, di ba? So, medyo malayo talaga yung lakaran. Tapos, Dane Grossman! Thank you, brother. Ayun, nakita pa tayo Pinoy. Exploring the world. Exploring Dubai alone. I wish nandito sa M. Thank you. Okay, so nasa lane 3 tayo pumasok. Let's go. Ayan na, habol tayo. It's habol. I can take videos, right?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Wait lang mga tao dito, promise. Basta lang tayo say hello. Habol tayo sa group. Okay, we're gonna join the group.
7 to level 100, then it became the world's tallest.
48th floor.
Hello, welcome to level 148. Please continue right side, sir.
Good luck,
All
sir.
the guests with the premium tickets.
Take care.
Outside service, enjoy.
Wow.
Playground na ba ang datingan? Kaya lang, wala playground.
We need this hot. Just look at that, guys. Incredibly hot. Actually, meron pa mas mataas. Ayun. Pero okay na ako dito kasi nakatipid ako. Mahal. Oh my god. You can actually feel the floor. You can actually feel the floor from here. But look at that, guys. Ayan. Grabe. Thank you, Lord. Grabe to. Imagine pag tumalon ako sa skydive. Look at that. Ayan, no. Tayo. Ako lang nag-iisa dito, guys. Promise. Ayan, no. Walang tao. Ayan, no. Grabe. Hindi ko kaya to. Sobrang nag-i-emotional ako. Lalo na siguro pag nag-skydive ako. I think being here, nandito na ako sa isa sa mga mataas na building. Parang kaya ko na mag-skydive sa Dubai. So, trying to find out if I can schedule my skydive tomorrow. At yun, siguro it's gonna be one of the craziest video na gagawin natin sa pagbuhay natin. Ngayon, message ko sa Emma. Sabi ko sa kanya na ito. Nag-spend tayo ng at least 30 minutes dito sa Burj Khalifa. And we're gonna go now kasi pupunta pa tayo sa ibang tourist spot dito. Actually, nakapag-safari na kami before. Kaya hindi ko na siya ulit gagawin. So yan, punta tayo sa museum at yung iba pa nating pwedeng puntahan dito. Okay, magpaalam na tayo, guys. Let's go down. Alright, so tutulog na tayo. Hindi ko na na-film after kung pumunta sa Burj Khalifa kanina because I just found out that I'll be doing the skydive tomorrow. Actually, hinihintay ko lang si M. Pagising ko siguro sa umaga, makikita ko na yung reply niya kung gusto niya bang gawin na yung gender reveal doon sa pag-skydive ko after or during the skydive. Or mag-skydive lang ako because it's one of my biggest fear. Yun, pag heights talaga, di ba? So, I guess this is something there's something in my head that's gonna break. That means, ibig sabihin nun, merong parang ma-unlock sa buhay ko, sa sarili ko, pag ginawa ko to. So, I'm very excited to do this. Looking forward, and I'm gonna sleep early. It's 1 a.m. in Dubai time. So, gising ako siguro mga 7:30. Mag-workout muna ako before kami pumunta dun sa location. And yeah, exciting guys. Exciting, but very nervous at the same time. So, tara. Good night, yo. Good night, yo. Good night. Okay. So, we're doing the skydive already. Wala na atrasan to. So, ready na tayo. Kasama natin Chef Ivan at bababa na tayo yon. Kakausapin ko siya. Kung possible mo makapag-gender reveal kami, tatanungin natin doon. Let's go! Let's go! Kinakabahan ako. Wala pa ako sa venue. Kinakabahan ako. Mag-jump tayo. Tambay. Tambay ka. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na ba sila?
Uy, yun. Wala pa ako sa venue. Kinakabahan na ako. Been waiting for this moment. Isipin mo yung feeling of falling in love. Eto na, dito na yung service natin. Chef! Wala lang atrasan ha?
Wala.
Uy, grabe. Sakay namin dito, ano? Escalation. Sarap ka na, Chef. I'm scared. I'm already scared. Date tayo ng nararamdaman. Nararamdaman ko, kinakabahan ako. Parang yung kaba ko ngayon nasa 25% na. Knowing na 2 minutes or 3 minutes away na lang kami sa venue. At,
Ito na.
Diba? Conquer your fear. Yan ang lesson dito. Harapin mo kung ano ang kinakatakutan mo. At malay mo, may ma-unlock sa utak natin. Isang, diba, ganon. Pero parang $1 million na, business, idea sa ere. Pala, tambay ka. Boss Pio, thank you. Puro mga yate. Okay, so guys, nandito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Literally. Oh my God. I think we should turn around. Let's just go to Abu Dhabi, my friend. Where? Oh yeah, that's the plane, right? Oh. Wow. We're there.
This one.
You will land there. The green. Bit of truth, let's go down. I'm not Arab. Di ako little cat. Let's go, let's go. Go. I'm gonna take a picture there later, after. But for now, ayun na. Boy, are you ready, boy?
I'm not a scared little boy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. We're really doing it, guys. Oh my God. Mag-fill up ka dito, magsasign ka ng waiver. Sama ko kayo, guys. Sasama ko kayo sa proseso. Signing up tayo.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you. I'm doing this for the baby.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Do you want a copy of your receipt?
No, it's alright.
I will just have your autograph here if you don't mind. So you have time to process everything. Don't stress.
I'm not stressed. Go.
Okay.
Okay guys, so bad news. Chef will not be joining us.
Kaya Coach Flex, papaperin mo pa ako.
Yeah, he's 15 kilos pa. So, kaya-kaya yan, Chef, mga 2 months.
230 ako eh.
O 2 months, we come back here, tapos ano yung nani-weight mo?
Coach Flex ha.
Okay. So ito yung ano natin. Pag nag-red na to, ibig sabihin na need na natin mag-prep sa skydive natin.
Yeah.
We can do the gender reveal here. Or do you want not to do it?
Paano? Kapag saan? Paano?
Sasabihin kasi meron 'di ba yung drop, mabilis 'yon. Tapos pa nag-open na yung parachute, sasabihin sa akin nung kasama ko.
Akala ko may visuals, wag na.
Wag na? Oh, sige. Okay, sige. Okay. Magta-10:30 na, so pretty sure tatawagin ako maya-maya. So ready na ako. Mentally, physically ready na ako. Nakaset na yung utak ko. Let's go. So we're ready to jump. I need to pee again, but I don't have to pee. Let's go.
Life-changing.
Yeah, you really like it?
I
Recommend
love it.
skydiving?
I love skydiving.
Amazing. Thanks for coming
Thank you
skydive.
for
Bye.
having me. I love you, Tyler, baby.
With branches long like spiral stairs, we climb into her maiden hair. Feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space.